The Special Investigation Team, the SIT appointed by the TDP government to investigate the alleged liquor scam during the YSRCP regime, arrested two key people on Friday. We're talking about K. Dhananjay Reddy, the former IAS officer who served as the Chief Minister's secretary, and also P. Krishna Mohan Reddy, who was the officer on special duty to the Chief Minister between 2019 and 2024, were taken into custody by the SIT, probing irregularities in the liquor sale during the YSRCP rule. We have my colleague Uma joining us to get us more on this. Uma, of course, the YSRCP saying this is nothing but a political vendetta and that targeting of officers is demoralizing bureaucracy.
So ever since the TDP-led NDA government came to power in Andhra Pradesh, the focus has been on the AP liquor scam, as it is being called. Initially, the government had presented a white paper on the liquor sales during that time, and they had put forth saying that about 99,000 crore rupees of sales had happened of liquor between 2019 and 2024 when the YSRCP government was in power, and that only about less than 1% of it was in the form of digital payments, and that 99% of it had happened in the form of cash payments. And they also alleged that all the main brands or the internationally well-established brands from the MNCs had actually been sidelined, and certain local distilleries had been given priority, and they had been allotted the order for supply much more than what can be allowed under the e-procurement norms. And they had also said that shell companies had been established in order to direct the kickbacks from the sale of this liquor, and the estimate was that 3,200 crore rupees worth of loss has been caused to the Andhra Pradesh Exchequer because of these kind of methods that were used by the previous government, including disabling of automation of the end-to-end working of the AP Beverages Corporation, which was supposed to be the centralized place for procurement and supply of the liquor sales. So in this, very, very important names have been coming up. That included, of course, former MP Vijay Sai Reddy, who was also questioned, sitting MP of Rajampet from the YSRCP, PV Mithun Reddy. And, initially the police had registered the case on September 23, 2024. Subsequently, an SIT was constituted in February of this year, and it's after that that the entire investigation has caught pace. And about 3 weeks ago, we saw KC Reddy, Rajshekhar Reddy, who was the IT advisor to the Jagan Mohan Reddy government. He was arrested by the Andhra Pradesh police from the Hyderabad airport, and subsequently now the Chief Minister's office, someone who was secretary to the Chief Minister, he has been arrested, Dhananjay Reddy, and also OSD to the Chief Minister then, Krishna Mohan Reddy. And all this is seen as something that is getting the clause closer and closer to the political leadership per se. And as you mentioned, yes, the YSRCP is calling this as political vendetta.